Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Teak wood crockery unit, a showcase, and a lot of people call it China cabinet. China cabinet, because not about the country, is about the China material for the crockery that was used. So mostly that type of items were kept in these kind of units for these decorative Chinese uh, utensils, kind of trays and plates and vases kind of thing, and that's why it's called China cabinet also. It's in teak wood, antique gold paint, and a nice, very well carved model that you're looking at. Simple crockery units are available everywhere. They're made of MDF, veneer, or plywood, and they can be placed anywhere. But when you get carving work like this, the flowers, the petal design that you see, and the artistic work that you see, these things, the ply veneer things, doesn't work. We have to get something in solid wood. So something you're looking at here. It's a completely customized unit. Friends, the most difficult part is to get something as per your choice. Making something in bulk or in standard sizes gets quite easy because people get used to making those things. So when making one particular unit and making it over and over in the same size and design, artisan get used to it. But every time you get a different size, different dimension, so we have to draw everything again, make it again, get the fittings again. That's quite a task, and that involves a lot of work also. And that's what we work on. Arson makes customized furniture as per your choice, the sizes and the colors, the designing work and everything. This is a completely customized unit. The size is 84 inches, 7 feet out and out. The height is 8 feet. The difference, one difference is the depth. This is 3 feet deep. Normal crockery units are not more than 20, maximum 22 inches deep. 24 also can work, but this is 3 feet. That's quite deep as compared to the regular sizes. If you're looking for a regular depth unit, we can provide you a 20 inches unit. That works fine. But this is the requirement of the client. He has got some space in a couple of walls. It's the space between the walls, and it's exactly 3 feet the area is, and he want to keep it right inside those pillars. So that's why he has given this size. This one is going to Bangalore. Now, talking about the artistic work, I have been showing you, and again, one more design here, and it's a kind of European design also. Mostly in the Italian designs, in the European furniture, you see thin leg concept, something like this. The legs are thinner at the base, and the design goes all over. So it's the Italian kind of design we get from the client. He picked from somewhere, given us the design, and we have made it in actual that you are looking at right now. Whenever you go online and you see a lot of royal furniture pictures there, you can go on Google, type royal furniture or premium furniture, artistic furniture, Victorian furniture. Mostly what you will get, catalog images, software generated images, and most of the items that you see in original actual picture would be from Arson. You can check that and you'll see 90% of the actual images are from the Arson company with the logo there, because we are making the actual stuff and in huge variety and designs, because we are getting orders from across the globe. People are trusting us and giving us the design they like, and we are making it and converting it to reality here. If you want some changes in design, you want a smaller one, you want some design changes like a cabinet underneath and a showcase on top, that can be done. I've shown several designs earlier. If you want this one in wood finish or some darker finish or some other color or white, that can also be done. I've already shown the designs in earlier videos for most of the colors and everything. So whichever you like, or if you don't like anything from our existing catalog, you want to pick something from the outside catalog or a catalog image, give us the design, we'll make it for you. We don't make plain stuff. Plain is with the MDF and the veneers and the plywood. We make in solid wood and the artistic work. Mostly the plain items are cheap units, the cheap furniture kind of stuff that you get in the local market. We don't believe and we don't make cheap furniture. We are making artistic units, and that involves a lot of hard work and time also. Please have a look on the overall design and you will see how much time, how much labor and how much artistic work, experience is required to craft something like this. This is not a carpenter's work, this is an artisan work, and that too an experienced one. Normal artisans cannot do this kind of work. An antique gold paint is our most liked color across the globe. We have sent it everywhere, and you can check our testimonial section. You will find a lot of pictures from the client's place in antique gold and other colors also. If you are looking for something like this, you can check our catalog or provide us with your design. If you have any question, please contact us. Any feedback, suggestions, please contact us. We'll be happy to hear from you. If you like it, please appreciate, put a small like, and we'll be happy with that. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.